Guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477 Super 7. Today, I'm going to be talking about Java's local date and local time classes, which allow us to work with dates and times efficiently. So, if you have some experience with Java, you might recall that there's another class that uses date. It's called java.util.date. So let's try importing that. java.util.date. Sorry, date has to be capitalized. So let's create our class so we can actually test it and see what's happening. Sorry, public class main. Main is our class name because that's to match your file name. Now we have our main method, which is public static void. Public static void main string square brackets args. So let's try to use the date using java.util.date, right? So you would do date equals new date, right? Seems very straightforward, and we were just printing out, using IntelliJ's built-in shortcut. So yep. But before Java 8, you had to use this, but they had a few problems. For one, time zones are really tricky, and formatting was pretty inconsistent. That's why we would use local time and local date. So let me show you how to import that. So you would do import java.time.local date. To do local time, you would do pretty much the same thing. Import java.time.local time. So let's see some examples of local date and local time in action. So you would create a class again, main method, right? So essentially, the way you would find a date is you would do local date, and let's just call it today, right? Local date today equals local date dot now. And you could also do pretty much the same thing with time. You could do local time current time, because it's the current time, you can just call it that, equals local time dot now. And so we could just print it out. So using the shortcuts, we have current time, and we have, sorry, I think date would go first. So let's do date today. So if we try running this, we would get the date and the exact time at which I'm recording this. So in conclusion, you can use local date for dates and local time for time. So Java's modern date time API, it's really simpler, safer, and more powerful than just using java.util.date. Thank you guys for watching this Super 7 programming tutorial, and see you next time.